Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today we want to help you with remedy for low libido and dryness. If you want to prepare this remedy, get the following ingredients. The first ingredient you need to prepare the remedy is the date fruit, or what the Hausa people call the dabino. In Nigeria, the Yoruba people call it the eso ojo, whilst the Igbos call it the oge. It is very common. If you go to the market women who sell kola nut and stuff, they can easily give you the dabino or the date fruit. Now let's look at the next item or ingredient that you need to prepare this particular remedy. After getting the date fruit, you are also supposed to get the tiger nut. The tiger nut is very common. If you go to Nigeria, the Nigerians who speak Yoruba call it the ofio, whilst the Igbos call it the aki awusa. The Hausa people also call it aya. In Ghana, those people who speak Twi call it atadri. So it is very common. If you go to those people who sell kola nut and stuff, they can easily give you this particular item for you to prepare the remedy. Now let's look at how you are going to prepare the remedy. Now after getting the two items, you are supposed to wash them very well. So after washing them, what you do is that you remove the seeds from the dates. The date has some seeds inside, so you are supposed to remove all, and then you take the fruit only. So that is what we are going to use. You are going to use the fruit around the seed. So you remove it with a knife and then you keep it. Oh, you can easily use your hand to break the pod into two and then you take away the seeds. Now you are also supposed to wash the tiger nuts very well. So after washing the tiger nuts and then the dates, what you are supposed to do is that you put them inside a blender. So please, for this one, you are going to use a handful of the dates and then a handful of the tiger nuts. You are supposed to blend it together in 1 liter of water. So after blending, you sieve it to remove all the chaff. Now what you are supposed to do is that you just keep it inside fridge. So every morning you take 1 cup and then every evening you also take 1 cup. You are going to take it for 4 to 7 days and then you see that you'll be fine. This is very good for both males and females. For males, it helps in people with low sperm count. And then it also give you manpower. Whilst for females, it also give them high libido. For those people who don't feel anything during the action, when they take this particular remedy, they are going to feel it very well. And then they are going to love it. So please kindly ensure that you do this particular one and take it. There is just something that you can easily get them. If you like to, you can even add coconut. If you get dried coconut fruit, you can add it to it and blend the three together, and then you drink 1 cup in the morning and evening. But if you cannot get it, just take these two. And then this is also something that makes the woman very sweet. So please, if you're a woman and you don't want your man to cheat on you, kindly do this so that you become very sweet for him, so that he'll be glued to you alone. And then for women who are also such that they become dry during the action, if you take this particular remedy, all those dryness will just go. So please kindly ensure that you always take it. This is very good for all females. And then anytime at all you can take it. You can take it before you eat, or you can eat before you take it. And then there are some men too, for them they can go for so many hours without releasing. If you do this particular remedy, you always release on time when you are expected to release. So please kindly ensure that you take this particular remedy. Please, if you are a woman, as I said earlier, and you don't want your man to leave you, always kindly ensure that this will be in your fridge. And then if you're a woman, to always eat pineapples and then honey. It will always make you sweet, and then it will also make your place to smell good. You are always what you eat. So please kindly ensure that you always take things like this. Thank you very much for watching this video. In our next video, we shall talk about a lot of things that will also benefit you. So please, if you have not subscribed to the channel The Remedist, kindly do, and then follow us on Facebook. If you are in a country that you cannot get these items, you can order them from Amazon with the links that I've provided under the video in the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye. Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.